Are you a managing partner or owner of a small business and have a large client come to you asking what your cybersecurity program is? Do you even know what a cybersecurity program is? Do you even understand what it is they're talking to you about? Hi, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, where we provide cybersecurity and IT services for businesses and nonprofits. I want to give you a few heads up if this happens to you or someone you know, and a big way to turn this to your advantage. So first, for the couple of things to keep in mind, I strongly suggest that you don't start answering questions without consulting someone like me, a cybersecurity expert. You don't want to fall into some landmines where you acknowledge that you haven't been doing basic cybersecurity. Remember, these companies are coming to their vendors for the purpose of increasing their cybersecurity, and part of that is eliminating vendors that are not taking cybersecurity seriously. So the first thing you do is you get your cybersecurity very basically up to speed so it looks like you've been considering it all along. I'm sure you've been considering it, but this way you have some evidence that you're actually participating. Second thing is we will sit in on these very stressful meetings with these corporations, and they typically speak in a language that you may not understand. Here at CMIT, we are experienced, come from a corporate background. I understand what they're asking you, and I can help you translate that into language that you understand and communicate effectively with the auditors that you're in full compliance. The third thing is they're always going to find something. So you get yourself into good shape, let them run through their audit. They get some things they want you to improve on. You do that, you're done, and then you're still retaining your valued client. Now, for the thing that I was talking about, how to turn this to your advantage, once you've gone through this and you have a cybersecurity program and you can prove it to everybody, don't just sit on it, announce it to all your existing clients and put it on your website. Let everybody know that you are cybersecurity aware and following the guidelines and practices that are expected of you. If you find this useful or you want to talk to me about this or something else, my information is at the end of this video. You can check out my website. I have other tips and tricks there. Again, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, and I hope you're having a happy, secure day.